Now let's use the direction analysis to check the model again, and make sure you select Y directions. You can see now the undercut problem is solved. How about the inner face? Let's flip the arrow. The inner face also, the undercut problem is solved. Next, let's on the open edge, and you can see now the face is not stitched together. So I'm going to use a face stitch and use a max gap 0.1. Select all the face to stitch all the face into a closed object, and now we can see there's no more open edge. Now go to set and display the curve of step 80, and we're going to use this curve to remove this object. Go to solid and select remove extrude, and we'll choose this curve through both sides and OK to cut the part like this. Now let's show this plane. Use a YZ plane. View the tangents. Show this plane here. We're going to draw a sketch on this plane. Okay. We're going to draw something like this. And an arc go to this point to somewhere here, and right click on the screen, use tangents, move around so that you get the correct side. Again, come down. Okay. Like that, close here. Okay, and then I'll put in the dimensions for first this point to the 0. This will be 310, and this to the 0, 450, and this from 0 to 30, and the 0 point from 0 we'll put to 20, and this to the 0 will be 50, and 0 to this will be 247. The radius of this, it will be 250. And next we're gonna go to display in wireframe mode, and we will add this add reference at this point here, and then I will add in the constraint, this point and this arc coincident, and our sketch is finished. Let's change back to the mix mode, exit from Sketcher. After that, go to solid, remove, extrude, and we're going to use a delta midplane and put a value of 360. Then OK. Now we'll put in some rounds. Go to solid round, and we will select this edge here. One, another one is here. Two, another one is here. Three, and four. 4H of round 12. Let's preview and OK. Next, create a section curve for the text and select from face and choose the space. And I will choose change to by pick and select somewhere the point over here and change the cross section to sections and then OK to create a curve on the surface from the surface. Next, I will show you how to create a text. I'm going to curve and select the text. This is text, and for the font type, you have many different kind of font you can type. I'll display this to 65. You can have different types of font. Okay, so I will, for this exercise, we will search for the CimatronE logo, the CimatronE font, and as you can see, the CimatronE font is not inside the window font directory. So to copy the font, then let's temporarily close this. If you have any font that spatial font that you want to use, what you need is to copy into the window under C drive window font directory. You must copy the font. The font extension is TTF. Make sure you already download this CimatronE font logo into your working folder, and then to copy this font to the window font, you just drag and copy. Just copy into this area, and then let's go to the text again. Now I will 65. This is size. I will now find the CimatronE. We'll find the CimatronE here. Now we have the CimatronE font. Okay. So if you need a logo, delete everything, press Shift S on the keyboard, then you got the CimatronE logo. Then OK. And then I'm going to place on a 3D face and a curve. So I'm going to place on this 3D face and on this curve here. To locate the position of the logo, you can use this option here. Close the curve. I will locate somewhere over here. Yep. At any time you want to change the size, you can go back and change the size. Maybe I'll change to 80. Okay, make it bigger. Then okay. This is the CimatronE logo, the curve. Next, I'll extrude the logo, solid, remove extrude, select this. I'm going to use a reference by reference, one side, flip the side. And the reference will be the back face, inner face. And I'm not going to extrude to the inner face. I want to make an offset of -1 to leave some. This is a new function. Then OK. So with the offset of -1, I still have a thickness for bottom face to the back face of let's close the face of roughly 1 mm because I put -1. This is a new function, a new option for the offset.